So this hole is 12 inches deep. I'm going to bury this 50%. Oh no, hang on, I've brought a silver. I brought one for home. Where is it? There. So we've got 100% silver coin there. I think it's in Edward. It's him.
Yeah.
We're going to bury that at 12 inches. So that's 12 inches deep and flat in the hole.
Yeah. And I'll do it with a NOX. NOX, baby, yeah?
Yeah.
The more powerful detector.
Do it on you're on field, aren't you?
Yeah.
Is it field 1 or 2? Because you could.
Let me just have it on this, I want to see.
Well, I'm not picking it up.
Are you not?
No, but I can change my settings. It's deep for a sixpence, that. It's only a small piece of. Hey, pick it up. Can we have the audio so we can listen to it on there?
Nothing on there.
Right, turn the audio on so we can hear it.
I need to find out what setting picks that up now, don't we?
Yeah, yeah. So I'm going to slow my recovery down to 2. I'm on high conductor. Tiniest little whisper. Tiniest little whisper. High conductor. We'll turn that down a bit. Small coin up a bit. Turn the bottle caps off.
Yeah, I want to get mine right for that silver because probably missing silvers here.
Hear it?
That way.
And we're going to put audio guide. Watch out. And we're going to put pitch. And we're going to ground balance. 6.8. It's not really picking it up. Now we're going to go up to 26 sensitivity. Stay a little whisper, but I won't dig that. It's only just getting it. Don't forget you've got audio gain as well, haven't you?
Just trying in different modes for now.
You want to go in one of the fields because that's the one that you're detecting all the time, isn't it?
Yeah. Do number 1 on field, yeah?
Yeah. Got the sensitivity right
Let
up.
me check this out as well with killer thing. So
Yeah, you want it on multi, put it on multi.
it was on multi then.
Yeah. Right, put it on 4, see if it picks it up on 4. It's lower frequency, innit?
Mad that, innit?
Yeah. I think it's this land.
Yeah, but fucking silver, mate. It should be getting that now.
12 inch though, 12 inch sixpence.
Let me try 5. So. Mad that. I've had stuff like that as well. 40 kilo.
No, you won't get it on 40.
Right, 4.
Have you turned your recovery down? It's one right on the right. 5. So do it 2. I'll try it. You'll probably get it. Put it on multi though. Your settings.
No.
Still not getting it.
Well, it's interesting little experiment.
This is why I test machines. You know what you're missing. You want to be hitting that though, but that is a small. That is a small sixpence.
That with a fucking Noxy bike.
There's a few things you can do with that.
Have a go with that. Just try all settings. Try and get
well.
Just I'm curious now.
You've got audio gain. Right, I'm not the best with this machine. First time I've used it. You could knock your iron bias down a bit, but you need some of it. Where's that gone? It was on 6. We turned the iron bias down. Right, this you won't want to swing that slow, so we'll do it on 2. One-way signal. It's showing an 8. I mean, you
Where's
wouldn't.
that minus thing coming from then?
Iron. But a deep target will come up as iron. If the sensor's not getting to it. Oh, you've got sensitivity right down.
No, it was on 20. I must have pressed that thing. Just do it again.
Here we go. Absolutely banging it there then. How do I get back to the...
It was on 20 before.
You see how slow you'd have to go to find something that deep though.
So was that on full 28?
Yeah, let's just back a bit. There's also audio gain. Oh, is that AG then? All tones. You've got it on all tones again. You want it on 2-tone, don't you? He's getting it, but you won't want to swing that slow. Let's do a ground balance. It's like, I'm in fucking beach. How have we changed that to beach now?
You change these by this. Come off that. Oh, what's going on there?
Go on to field 1.
One beach now.
No, don't do beach.
What do you want it on?
Field 1. We went out field 2, didn't we? Right, field 1. Let's keep on for now.
It's doing it, innit?
Yeah.
And that's 4 kilohertz.
Yeah, 4 kilohertz. Let's see if multi works. Oh, fuck off.
Sensitivity is fully up there, innit? Net 28 thing. Yeah.
How do you go back? Just see standard. There it is. Right. Let's go multi. You get a positive ID there.
Yeah.
But would you want to swing that
Is
slow?
the 4 maximum depth the best out of them? The 4 kilohertz
Yeah.
compared to the 40.
Lower.
What's 40? What would you put
40's
40
for
on
smaller stuff.
Right.
So there
That's
we are.
good, that, innit?
Yeah, the NOX has got that. It's on max power on the slowest recovery, so you'd have to swing really slow, but it's hit it.
Where's the recovery bit on here again?
There,
Yeah.
you're on 1.
Right.
So that's really, let's put it on 2 because that's a gem you'll be able to swing at 2.
Oh, it's coming up.
It's banging it. That's a good hit that. Right, there you go, there your settings.
So, field 1, recovery 1, 2, max sensitivity. That's what I'm keeping it on for. Can I store that now?
Yeah, I wouldn't know how to do it though.
try it again. Yeah. So it is still getting the minus, but 98.
Yeah, deep targets can sound like iron a bit.
Experiment that way, bro.
Right, let me
keep my earphones off for a bit.
Let me try and sort this out. I was going to do something, I forgot what it was. You'll never get, that could be a small hammer though at that depth at 12 inches.
That's showing 68.
Oh, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing.
So that's saying over 10 inches that.
Wet. This is what I've said so much on my channel, these wet programs are just really deep. It doesn't have to be wet the ground to hit it, because that's hitting that now.
It's your settings, isn't it?
Yeah, but everybody uses a wet program in wet, but it's alright in dry as well. It's the deepest setting. I'm going to go to two-tone because I don't like pitch. Just got it, but I'm on the slowest recovery I can go on with a max sensitivity. Well, that's got that, but you'd have to go so slow. So with the settings, I'd say that the NOX is deeper than the Rutus Versa. I mean, it's a hard target and the Rutus Versa is hitting it as well, but I've had to go on max sensitivity, I've had to go on the slowest swing speed, I've gone on the maximum audio gain. We need to find audio gain on your detector as well.
Have a look on my booklet tonight. No, it was a useful thing for me that I'm going to the audio gain.
I'm hitting it there.
It's good how you do them test things, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're missing.
Well, when I had that test garden, I knew what I'd hit in the field. I miss it so much. Is there any point in putting it at 8 inches when we got it at 12?
I just want to see what it is again. Put it on the surface.
Or the 100% silver?
Yeah.
100% silver.
70. So
Let me do it. Let me do it.
What the 70s? So what's 100 then? Is it going to be like
You won't-
aluminium?
Yeah, you won't get hundreds. If you're getting that high, probably is aluminium big.
Yeah.
But you don't normally get the highest reading. That's not 8 inches, that is it?
My spade, I've just done one from my spade-ish. It looks about 8 inches, my
Oh,
spade.
let's get it deeper.
Just put it in there a minute.
Right, flatten it down. Don't forget where it is. It's precious. Now raise your coil and see how high your coil can get.
Yeah, same read as that, but like that's just reading like it did at the top. That. Need to put the coat on. We need to experiment. Should we go beach? Should we go to a beach tomorrow?
Shit beaches, I hate them. Modern shit. Right, so again, with a silver sixpence, we're going to bury this at 6 inches, but on its edge. Let's get the old plug. I've been out all day. I'm struggling now. Not used to it. Bits of iron in there. So let's see what this on edge reads on the surface. Jumping that way. Hard 73 that way. Now here's another test. So about 6 inches on its edge. Now see if you get that. You might get it one way and not the other. Wow. Rotate. It's doing it all the way round. Alright, let's see if I can get it. Pretty easy that. Eh?
Is that silver?
Yeah. 6 inches but on its edge. And I was surprised at the Versa. I had to go into wet and I had to put recovery right back, max sensitivity, not hitting that at 12 inches. Now there is a bit of mineralisation in this ground and I had to put my audio gain all the way to the top. I did have a word with Eric about a bigger coil for the Rutus Versa, but he says he don't think it's going to be this year. He doesn't like about the weight of the coil, he was saying. He don't like having a big coil, but it'd be great in my artillery having a 15-inch coil. My brother's got a 15-inch coil for the NOX 900, so he's going to be getting the deeper stuff than me with this coil. I mean, that's the first time I've used a NOX 900 and all. Maybe it could be tuned in a little better. Doesn't have an audio gain, does it, the NOX 900? Like known as an audio gain. I think you've got to put it through volume of your tones, haven't you? I'm not too sure. It's up to him to sort that out, but he's going to get his head into the book and learn the NOX. I can give him like a ballpark area of what things do, but he needs to be able to get around that machine. I've been bloody fumbling all over it all day, and that is a lot better now on that machine than he was this morning. Tell you that, he's definitely picking it up. So I'm going to have to up my game. I think at the moment a day is 2 with the 11-inch coil will be deeper, my deepest machine. So maybe do I get a 13-inch coil for the day is 2? £350 a piece, aren't they, them day is 2 coils? If anybody wants to send me a 13-inch coil for the day is 2, just let me know.